Hey guys, my name is Rahul Nair. I'm a teacher at Digital Vidya. I've been teaching there for the past 2+ years right now. While I'm teaching at Digital Vidya, you'll hear me speaking a lot about affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, email marketing, all of that fun and interesting stuff, right? You will also catch me having really good discussions with you guys about different type of case studies, how some of these things have been implemented by different type of companies in very interesting ways, and how finally numbers are also required. The understanding of numbers are required for you to be able to bring all your thoughts and your ideas together to see whether or how digital marketing actually works. A little about me. I've got about 16+ years of work experience. In my current in the current company that I'm working at, I am the vice president for business and marketing over there. And we've been scaling and doing a lot of great business. So I come with a lot of experience to be able to teach people like you guys who are interested in understanding what digital marketing is all about and how you can actually use it is where I come in, right? And how I can help you guys is if in case you guys are interested in understanding what happens in digital marketing, the interesting things in digital marketing, what can you expect out of your job in digital marketing, I would recommend that you attend the orientation that Digital Vidya has to offer. So I'll see you there in that orientation. Thank you so much.